Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to be taking you through the simple process of putting your potted plants into your aquaponics system. It's a simple process. We're going to take you step by step so you can see how it's done. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing we've got to do, we've got to get our plants out of these cups, get this soil material rinsed away from the roots. So I've got a 5-gallon bucket of water here. We're going to rinse off all the dirt off the root system so we can go on to the next step. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we've got an extra pot here. We're going to try to save as much of this dirt as possible. You can always use it to replant with, put it in the compost pile. We're going to gently remove as much as we can by hand without damaging the roots. The root system is very fragile. You want to be very gentle with this. Alright, that's a pretty good bit off right there. So we're going to take and we're going to rinse off the rest. Alright, so we're going to rinse this off. We want to make sure we get pretty much all of the soil off the roots before we put it in the aquaponics system. We don't want to add any solid material into our system. Alright, that's about it. A few more little pieces here. I think we're pretty good there. It's not too bad. Alright, so we've already mapped out where we want to put our plants. So all we got to do we're going to pull our media back. And there we go. Simple as that. Real short process. Took me about 5 minutes really total, start to finish. Taking the plant out, getting the dirt off, rinsing off the roots, planting it in the bed. Super simple. One other thing I like to do, I like to make sure I label where everything is, just for reference. And there we go. Just like that, we're done. So get out there, get it going. Get your aquaponics system running, get your plants done. You can do it. I know you can.